In the silence of the operating room, the mandate is absolute: total oncological clearance. Yet that aggressive pursuit collides immediately with the need to preserve the fragile, unforgiving nerve networks of the pelvic floor. Success demands a precise, perilous balance, deep within the body's most restrictive geometry. Welcome to the pelvic danger zones, where embryologic avascular planes narrow to the millimeter, and a single stray dissection guarantees a lifetime of functional tragedy for the patient. Technical confidence is built over decades, but an incomplete mesorectal excision can derail an operation in a fraction of a second. Because the physical margins are so exceptionally tight, the true operation is won or lost in the surgeon's mind long before the scalpel ever meets the skin. Every successful procedure must be understood not as a single sweeping action, but as a relentless, high-pressure sequence of decisions. Why this specific plane? Why ligate this exact vessel? Why rely on this anastomosis? And when is diversion to a stoma the only safe path forward? And as modern surgical platforms enter the suite, those critical operative questions only multiply. Today's specialists must move fluently from traditional open abdominal access to the demanding precision of laparoscopic and robotic setups. These tools amplify ergonomic control, but they cannot rescue a team that lacks strict adherence to anatomical respect. Without a reliable mental framework for navigating the anatomy, the result is anastomotic leakage, pelvic sepsis, and catastrophic failure. To survive the chaos, clinicians require a practical, visual language to decode the pathology. Enter the Colorectal Surgery Code by Dr. Atef Ahmed. Built for the intense realities of the ward and the OR, this is a highly focused, rapid-access surgical companion rather than a dense encyclopedia. It delivers the exact visual roadmaps and step-by-step guidance needed to translate complex disease into clear operative execution. You can master this framework before your next incision. Unlock a massive 80% discount across all editions, from digital apps to the physical library. Upgrade your clinical practice, refine your technical discipline, and secure the modern standard of care today. Visit books.drataf.net, fill your cart, and apply the exclusive VIP code AR665398 now.